Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm so excited for this episode. Drop that like and subscribe real quick. Just gonna get a couple trail rides in on the 250 and 450. Gonna get the GoPro on that. Then headed over to the Bayside car show. I got a VIP spot with like Lamborghinis and stuff like that. It's crazy, but that's supposed to be a pretty good turnout. So we're gonna do that. And yeah, it should be sweet. Having problems with the 450. Tires are super muddy. It's like quicksand back there where we got stuck at. Or not stuck, but bike stalled out and we can't get it to start over. Alright, so me and Kyle just got back from riding. The 450 had some problems, so we're about to use the power washer right now to wash down the bikes. Just took the power washer to the 450 and the 250. Gonna just keep them all loaded up underneath here for now. Gonna head over to that car show at the Walled Lake, the Bayside meet. Should be pretty sweet there, so we're gonna head up there now and get the car washed and load up. Alright, so right now headed to Walled Lake for the Oktoberfest. Got selected for a VIP spot with like 40 other people or something like that. But there's gonna be a bunch of nice cars out there like Lamborghinis and stuff like that. So I'll upload that and I'll show you when I get there.
Kyle, I think this one's got a 4 turbo.
Yeah, those seats look very fucking comfortable.
I don't see any child actually. So right now, me and Kyle are just walking around. Just got out of the VIP lot looking at some other cars. Gonna post some more footage of it. Cops posted up. Ooh, the cops got a little fling.
And there's just one sitting right in the middle of that fucking dinosaur.
There's a nice Beamer right there. So I just got back from the Bayside car show out in Walled Lake for the Oktoberfest. It was so nice out there. It was a little windy, but you know, the cars are there: Lamborghinis, Ferraris, GTRs, Cadillacs. I mean, pretty much a lot of tuners as well. A couple muscle cars. It was pretty sweet though. Everyone had a good time. All came together, and yeah, there's some good footage on there. So if you like this episode, like and subscribe, and there'll be more of it.